Hey everyone, it's Sam from Ikigai. I'm back again to tell you a little bit more about what we've been doing with Hydra auctions, specifically the work we've been doing around errors and error reporting. The first thing I want to show you is our error handling system that we've built into Mixpanel, the tool that we were already using with analytics. Now analytics and errors will both be handled in a nice, convenient dashboard for you. Let's jump right into that. The first thing to show you, of course, is creating an error. In order to do that, we've hard-coded some values into the auction creation system, and we're creating this error here where the 4 dates that are required are out of order. Now, when we go to sign the transaction, we'll see that the auction announcement failed. You can see that here. Now, if we tab over to our Mixpanel dashboard, we'll be able to see that after just a short delay, a new error message will appear. Don't worry about those ones down there. Those are from previous testing. But yeah, with a refresh here, now there's a new error, and we can click into that and we can see all of the details. We can see the event, that it is an error, not an analytics event. We can see the function that it comes from. And one of the great things about this is that with all of these details, we've got all of these parameters down here as well. This extends to any type of error that gets thrown in your application. So if there's an error thrown, that will get passed on and you'll be able to see it in your Mixpanel as you're looking at your analytics. And finally, there is also this stack here, which gives some more important information for tracing through the debug if you really need it. Next, I want to show you what we've done in the world of integration and unit testing. We wrote our tests with Jest, a well-known and established testing framework from the JavaScript ecosystem. Let me show you that. So we've achieved near complete coverage on our tests. And as I scroll down here on the left, you'll be able to see that each of these orange files here are test files. There are different test suites, and there's nearly a corresponding one for all of the different major files that we have in here. Also on the right, I'm going through some of the configs here. You can see a config for the assets that we have, a config for the delegate group, as well as a more general config for the app. These are all mocked out for tests. A pretty important file. But now as I get into running tests, npm run test is all you got to do. Very simple package.json script. And you can see here that all of our tests, all of our suites have passed. Going up, you can see all the passing tests. You can see the console logs if you've left any in any of the tests. Yeah, everything looks good, obviously. And then if I go in here and I add something that specifically won't pass, here looking for some text that isn't in the document, then you'll be able to see again that the test has failed. And here not only can you see the failure, you can see where it failed, you can see the trace, and you can also go all the way up and you can see the entire DOM from when that failed. So lots of options for testing and debugging here.